pattern I'm going to do on my dress. I'm going to do halfway, and then the bottom part will be cloth, and that's the pattern. If you can see the yellow part, it's the same pattern as the top one. I think I better change the yellow color. Okay, do 17 chains. This is not counted. And now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then one up. The orange, we following the orange, 16 already this one, so one up, so that's why I say 17 chain. Extra 1, and then single crochet, count 1, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, then skip 2, skip 2 chain, 2 single crochet, the next one also single crochet, and then count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then skip 2 single crochet, next single crochet, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, next single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, and then the next single crochet only, one only, the ending one. Okay, done. Then turn, we doing the green one, green one chain, and then single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, single crochet is 4, chain 5, then go next one is 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like that. Then there's 2, there's 3, and now 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and Then we do the, I need to do here I need to do it again, show you nicely. See here, 1 2 3, the fourth one goes here a bit like that, so it won't be dangling. Okay, so now you count 1 2 3. We are doing the blue part. Three, then 1 2 3 4. Same at 1 2 3 4 5. And then 1 2 3 4. Same. Here goes next will be the same until the end. Here I'll show you what. Now we are end here already. Put 4 already there, coming along nicely. Now we do treble crochet. We put this one and this one together so it won't look a bit off. Nah, like that. Then we turn, count again, 1 2 3, and we're doing the light blue one now. This is the light blue. Same pattern. Now you just have to know is 3 chain and the same pattern as this, and then here will be treble crochet. Go as long as you like. That's the new pattern. You can do this as a blanket or lace below. You can do this as a lace, just these 2 lines. These 2 lace will do, be nice. But I'm doing more than that because it's going to be like this. This is going to be the top part of your shoulder, and this is also going to be there. And bottom will be the back part or front part, whichever it is. Come to end ready. Treble clef. And I just no need to look at it or what, just look this part, hook it and do like that. That's it. Then it's come there. Just nice. Beautiful lace will be. I'm still thinking about lace. I'm gonna do this far like that. Okay. This is how it's going to look like. This is the back part.